Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: x plus 15 whole power 2 equal to 289. Now here we are going to apply algebra formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get x square plus 2 times of x times of 15 plus 15 square equal to 289. Now x square plus this is 30x plus here it is 225 equal to 289. Now in this step we are going to move this 289 left hand side. So x square plus 30x plus 225 minus 289 equal to 0. Now x square plus 30x here minus 64 equal to 0. Now this 30x can be written as 32 minus 2. So here we are going to apply this here. X square minus 2x plus 32x minus 64 equal to 0. Now here x we are going to take a common. So x open bracket, we have remaining x minus 2. Here we are going to take 32 common. So plus 32 open bracket x minus 2 equal to 0. In this step we are going to take x minus 2 common. So x minus 2, here we have x plus 32 equal to 0. Now we have two equations here. One is x minus 2 equal to 0. Other one is x plus 32 equal to 0. Here from this x minus 2 equal to 0, we have find x equal to 2. From other equation x plus 32 equal to 0. Here x equal to minus 32. This is the solution in first method. Now we are going to find a second method, method 2. Here the equation is x plus 15 whole square equal to 289. Now x plus 15 whole square, we are moving this left hand side, so minus 289 equal to 0. Now x plus 15 whole square minus this is 17 square equal to 0. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula here, that is a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. Consider this is a, this is b. So x plus 15 minus 17, other one is x plus 15 plus 17 equal to 0. Here x minus 2, here x plus 32 equal to 0. From this x minus 2 equal to 0. From here x plus 32 equal to 0. X equal to 2 here from this equation. Here x equal to minus 32. This is the answer in second method. Now we are going to find this in other method, which is method 3. Now here is x plus 15 whole square equal to 289. From this we are going to take a square root on both sides. So x plus 15 whole square in square root, right hand side, plus or minus square root of 289. Here the square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have x plus 15 equal to plus or minus the square root of 289 is 17. Now x plus 15 equal to plus or minus 17. So x equal to plus or minus 17. We are moving this 15 right hand side, so minus 15. So x equal to plus 17 minus 15. This is the one. Other one is x equal to minus 17 minus 15. From this x equal to 2. Here x equal to 32. This is the possible answer in third method. Now we are going to verify this. Verify the equation that x plus 15 whole square equal to 289. Here x equal to 2, x equal to minus 32. Now applying this, 2 plus 15 whole square equal to 289. Here 17 square equal to 289. So 17 square is 289 equal to 289. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to apply this x equal to minus 32 here. So in the equation here, minus 32 plus 15 whole square equal to 289. Now here minus 17 square equal to 289. Here minus 17 square is 289 equal to 289. So here LHS equal to RHS. This is also verified. Thanks for watching this video.